Ever wondered how automation can simplify your daily tasks in Microsoft Teams? Let's dive into Power Automate, your secret to working smarter, not harder. Picture a friendly 3D character guiding you through this journey. Power Automate lives right inside Microsoft Teams, making it easy to automate tasks without leaving your workspace. Step 1. Open Microsoft Teams. Find Apps in the left menu and search for Power Automate. Click to install. It's quick and straightforward. Once added, you'll see the Power Automate icon appear. Click it, and you're greeted by an inviting dashboard. Step 2. Creating your first flow. Look for the Create button, your launch pad to automation. Choose Automated Cloud Flow, and give your flow a name, like Team Welcome Message. For beginners, let's set a trigger. When a new member joins a team, this means your flow will activate automatically whenever someone joins. Next, click plus add an action. Choose Post Message in a chat or channel. This action sends a welcome message right to your new teammate. Type a warm message, something like, "Welcome to our team." Step 3. Click Save. Now your flow is live. Let's test it. Add a new member to your team and watch Power Automate send your greeting automatically. Explore more actions and triggers as you get comfortable. Power Automate adapts to endless scenarios, letting you focus on what matters. With a few clicks, your 3D guide has made automation easy and approachable. Ready to turn repetitive chores into seamless workflows? Power Automate inside Teams gives you the power to do just that, and more.